Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Eigenpie token. Ticker symbol is EGP. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting September 25th. We're going to go over the information on the Eigenpie token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I found this token on Arbiscan on the Arbitrum blockchain. It says 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply, 10 million EGP tokens. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. At EigenpieXYZ_IO, 34,200 Twitter followers. Has a link to their webpage right there. And they have here, they have a blue verified check mark, 410 tweets. And I just saw on Twitter here that they are getting a bunch of brand new central exchange listings, but the one that popped up here for me, it says this token will be listed September 25th, 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token, simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search EGP on September 25th, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on prior to this listing, before this token gets listed, is a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So make sure you check that out on Mexc Global. And they have a webpage, eigenpieXYZ.io. And over there you can find a full document section. And they have socials like the Twitter that I mentioned there. And it says Eigenpie is a liquid restaking platform with Eigenlayer that allows users to restake their assets to validate new services while earning rewards and maintaining liquidity through LRTs. Native ETH holders and liquid staking participants can enhance the utility of their ETH and ETH LSTs by depositing them into the Eigenpie. Once deposited, Eigenpie restakes these assets through node operators on Eigenlayer. The node operators then use the ETH and LSTs to support new actively validated services, AVSs, while users receive LRTs in return, allowing them to earn rewards while maintaining liquid positions. LRT holders from Eigenpie are poised to earn revenue through their direct participation in validating new actively validated services with their underlying ETH and LSTs, while still being able to access other DeFi opportunities simultaneously. Eigenpie serves as an ETH and LST provider for node operators while simultaneously offering ETH and LST holders the benefits of liquid restaking on Eigenlayer, enhancing their earning potential. Now, they tell you on their webpage what Ethereum is, what the Eigenlayer is, restaking native restaking, liquid restaking, node operators, AVS. They go over Eigenpie. So what is Eigenpie? It's the first isolated liquid restaking platform for ETH LSTs, leveraging the infrastructure of Eigenlayer and allowing native ETH and ETH LST holders to earn more. As a sub-DAO created within the Magpie ecosystem. Now, you may have heard of Magpie before. I believe I did a video on Magpie a while back, maybe when they first came out. Eigenpie contributes to Eigenlayer by enabling a process known as liquid restaking. Through this feature, users can deposit their ETH or LSTs into Eigenpie's platform, which then restakes these tokens using the Eigenlayer protocol. And this mechanism allows users to receive liquid restaking tokens that represent their restaked ETH and LSTs and continue to accrue staking rewards. These LRTs maintain liquidity, meaning that they can be traded, transferred, and utilized across DeFi applications, offering additional yield opportunities. The integration of Eigenpie with Eigenlayer introduces several benefits, such as enhancing network participation and security by increasing the flexibility of native staking and liquid restaking through liquid restaking. Now, the EGP token is the governance and reward earning token of the Eigenpie ecosystem. By integrating with different protocols and fostering innovation, Eigenpie aligns the platform's growth with participants' prosperity through EGP, driving user engagement. Now, the tokenomics, ERC20 token, total supply 10 million, pretty much went over that already. So this could be available on multiple chains. The one that was posted there, though, was on the Arbitrum blockchain, but it could be on, ETH and other chains as well. We'll have to see. It looks like it's going to be getting a bunch of central exchange listings. And they have here some smart contracts. So they have the LRT tokens addresses on their page there. And they have some security section. They have some audit reports. So they have a BlockSec audit that you could check out, a PEC Shield audit, AstraSec audit. There's so many different audits on their document section that you could review if you like. And let's see here, their Twitter, they talk about Bybit on here, so maybe they're getting a Bybit central exchange listing as well. But the newest big one that I saw pop up there on their Twitter is Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.